Welcome to this Sonity mini tutorial, where I'll show you how I implemented this Spiderweb sound in Sulfur. So basically what we're doing is using this sound event loop, triggering a sound when it started on play, and triggering a sound when it stopped. This way we can implement one sound loop, which plays both an enter, exit and a loop sound. We also use intensity to control the sound with the velocity of the player. To get started, we'll take these spiderweb sounds and create sound events for them. So we have an enter sound, an exit sound, and a loop. For the loop, we want to add a fade in and fade out. Maybe 0.3 seconds. And we also want to increase the volume of this a bit. Now we can go to the loop and on trigger other, add the enter spiderweb sound. And on stop, we'll add the exit spiderweb sound. Now this sound sounds like this. So for implementation, we'll go to the player prefab. So basically what the persons at perfect random have implemented is a movement array, where depending on which environment you're inside, you get different player speeds and can play different sounds. So we basically only need to play this player spiderweb sound here. And if we look at the code, it's saving the previously played movement loop, and then if any is assigned when it's changing environment, it's stopping that, and if it's entering an environment with a loop and it's not playing, it starts the loop and passes a sound parameter, which is the velocity of the player. So let's try this out in game. So basically, you can hear that the loop is playing regardless of how fast we move. So we only want it to play when we're moving around. For this, we'll go into Spiderweb loop sound container and enable intensity. Now the sound is only playing when the intensity is above 0. Which is the player velocity. What we also can do to get a better scale of this, or to understand the parameter, is to record it. So basically now we can see that the highest velocity of the player walking inside the spiderweb is 0.7. We want to scale this so the max value is 1. Which gives us this multiplier. We'll also go in and set the seek time to maybe 0.3 seconds. That way, the spiderweb loop is fading in and out. It's not starting and stopping that abruptly when we change the intensity value. It's smoothed over 0.3 seconds. I'd also personally want to add some pitch. The default values maybe are a bit too much. Let's go with 0 to -6 semitones. Maybe change the roll off a bit. And if we leave the spiderweb, it plays the exit sound. Perfect. So that's all for this mini tutorial. See you next time!